Hey, my name's Nick Swan and I'm the founder of SEOtesting.com. I'm really excited to show you around the app and help you get started. This is the first of a series of videos that will take you through each area of the application, with the other videos digging into more detail. When you first register, you'll come to the Launchpad. As a first-time user, you'll only have one site added, but you can see here I've got multiple sites and get a quick overview of each one here. To work with an individual site, click on the URL and you get taken to the dashboard view for that particular site. Notice that the left-hand navigation changes so you can access the various bits of functionality for that site. On this site dashboard, we can summarize the graphs by week or month, which helps us spot trends. Via the left-hand menu, we can access the Launchpad again, so we can see all our sites, and the dashboard link will take us back to the home page for this particular site. Going through all the areas of functionality here, we have the SEO tests, which are time-based tests, where we're comparing one period against another for particular URLs or queries. We have split tests, which are where we are comparing different URLs and groups of URLs across the same time period. And we'll have more videos on SEO tests and split tests, so make sure you check those videos out because they'll go into a lot more detail. We have reports, so these are lots of easy to use reports based on Google Search Console data. These will help you spot issues and find wins within your data. They'll help you find click-through rate opportunities, get content ideas and content to work on. You have all the data, all the queries and pages available to look through, and also a cannibalization report to find out where multiple pages on your site are trying to rank for the same keyword. If we take a quick look within all data, just to show you, whenever you see a query within the tool, you can click on that query and it will take you to what we call the query details page, where you can see clicks per day and so on for that query. And if we just go back a couple and go to any report that has URLs on, again we can click on the URL and this will take us to the page details view, which again has the graphs for clicks per day. We can also toggle to show impressions and so on, but it also shows us all the queries that this page has been returned for and whether those queries are being used actually within that page and so on. But again, we'll go into more detail on these particular reports and how to use them in later videos. We also have rank tracking. So we can compare each keyword we're tracking, we can compare it to different historical periods, such as 7 days, 30 days, 9 days and a year ago. We have saved ideas, so as we're going through our various reports, we might come across content ideas that we want to save and refer to later with our content team. So we just save them, click the icon and they get saved to this particular area. We have the account section, so this is where you can manage your subscription. This is where you can change your password, manage all the email subscriptions for the various sites and so on, and obviously subscribe to the product as well. We have support and docs, so this is where these videos will live. For every section of SEOtesting.com, we try to have a write-up of how to use that particular part of the tool, and there'll also be an accompanying video to go with it as well. And then finally, we have the change log. So whenever we add a new bit of functionality to the tool, we update the changelog here. The changelog icon will glow red to show you that there's something new for you to find out about. So pop in, check out what we've been working on and have a look. Thanks very much for watching, and make sure you check out the other videos to learn more about the tool.